Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Vids. Today we're going to be doing a teardown and having a look inside a Magellan RoadMate. A Magellan RoadMate 3055. Magellan RoadMate 3055. Yeah, this thing was pretty badly messed up. Honestly, I paid more than I should. It was an original box, so the person I got it from a yard sale thought it worked. You know, kind of take it at face value. Turns out they were just one of those types of people that always save the box and everything, and probably treat things really nicely most of the time. But this was not treated nicely, and it was broken. And the charge cable didn't work. I couldn't find a charge cable to match it, so I'm just going to take it apart. Come on, baby. Also, I will be giving away free pool tickets to my local, pool. That's right. Know the meaning of life, though. The meaning of life. Here's the meaning of life. Nothing has any meaning unless you give it faith. Anything. The stock market. Gods. Your mom. None of it works unless you have faith. In the future on this channel, I'm going to be finding a way to weaponize faith. And I'll be building bridges with faith alone. Haha. Okay, that's the insides. Interesting. Interesting. So that's got to be the battery right there. Geez, let me get a closer look at that thing. Let me bring it up for you folks that just like to look at the boards. You creepy bastards. Geez, I'm not seeing a lot of writing on these boards. Oh, it's just they're pretty small. The 500 megabyte unit. Probably be good if I took this piece of tape off. That battery disconnected. I'm kind of surprised that we don't see any exploding batteries from GPSs ever. I would have thought that we would have seen more by now. Interesting how simple everything seems on here. I'm gonna bring this thing, make sure it's in frame, right? A little motherboard, big screen. People like it big in the front, that's for sure. Come on, come on. And that's just how she goes. And that's just how she goes. Yeah, so these older GPSs aren't gonna be working much longer because of issues with the satellites, I believe it is. Is that a microphone? There's no way that's I think that's a microphone. What the hell would I need a microphone for? Maybe it's one of those ones you talk to. Again, I never managed to turn this one on. Yeah, that's a microphone. That's a microphone. But I mean, why would it matter if it was a microphone? It's not like this unit connected to the internet, really. And even if you were up, yeah, it is a microphone. Let me get a good look at what that says. Doesn't say anything. I just thought I saw patterns in the goop, I guess. Come on. Come on. Nah, I thought I saw a number in there. I guess not. Oh, great heat shield. That always pisses my viewers off. Because I can't see what the chips are unless I get into the heat shield. And I'm not the most delicate getting under a heat shield, let's face it. So that's as far as I can go without a heat gun. Still, interesting stuff, eh? Have a good one, folks.